Good morning, everyone. Teacher Thomas Thailand here, coming to you from beautiful Ban Chang, Rayong, Thailand. I hope you are doing well wherever you are at in the world. We start out this vlog today with a little cruise on Blackie. As many of you may know, I'm trying to improve the quality and the content of my videos here at TTT. And this morning, I just wanted to start out with this little cruise on the Kawasaki Vulcan 900cc, belt drive, water cooled. And I've gotten questions, why do I name my vehicles? Well, it's a tradition that goes back a long ways. So I've always tried to give my rides a name. And another question is, are my rides male or female? Well, guys, that's a pretty simple one. They're all female. So Blackie is the one we're on this morning. And why would I have all female rides? Well, guys, I'm not going to ride a dude, okay? So Blackie is my little cruiser, and my Toyota Hilux diesel pickup truck is baby blue, and my wife has a Honda Scoopy, and then we have a Honda Wave 125i, and yeah, they're all females. So I hope that clarifies that. But listen, before we get started into the main content, I want to give a shout out to a new vlogger here in Thailand. His channel's name is Totally Tommy. So go check out Totally Tommy. He celebrated his birthday yesterday, the 11th of June. And we had a nice live chat on Johnny. There is something happening. Check out Johnny's channels too, all right? So I'm happy to be a part of the vlogging community here in Thailand. And it was an excellent live stream last night on Johnny. There is something happening. All right, so let's get down to the heart of the matter. We're back to the house here. And today we are having our home security system installed by TMV, Thamonvan Security Systems. And if you'd like to see an interview of the owner of the business, Mr. Thamonvan, there's a previous video called Thailand Street Markets. And in that video, I just spontaneously stopped into his security shop here in Ban Chang. And that's when I placed the order. And now they are installing our home security system here at our beautiful home in Ban Chang. There's Mr. Thamonvan right there. He has two excellent technicians with him today. Thamonvan speaks very good English. He told me that these two technicians have been working for him for 6 years. So they are highly skilled. And I tell you what, guys, did you see that thumbs up and big smile? That's not a put on, all right? There's just something very pleasurable about interacting with Thai people, whether it's on a recreational basis or a business affair like we have today. So I really want to highlight the local businesses in my area. It's one of the things that I try to do in the video clips. So while you're getting information about various businesses in my area, you also get kind of my perspective of why it's so important and incumbent upon us as immigrants into Thailand to always show respect for Thai people, for their cultures and their traditions. So here at TTT, I try to always display that level of mutual respect, because I'm telling you, I don't care who you are or where you come from in the world, if you show Thai people respect, you will receive that respect tenfold from these people. So anyway, the reason I did a voiceover on this video today is I've been having some audio issues internally inside the GoPro camera. There's Thamonvan. He is the specialist here, the lead man, the owner, and he takes care of all the interfacing with the Wi-Fi and does all of the downloads for me on my smartphone. So there's applications that come with both the cameras and the NVR hard drive system. So I can monitor my home security system from anywhere in the world, live video feed, and I can watch any playback of any session I choose. It's a very easy system to operate. But yes, the reason it's all voiceover today is because of the audio issues, and I just refuse to put out something of low quality. So although I have a very good interview here with Mr. Thamonvan, the audio had way too much distortion, and now I'm speaking to you today through an external microphone from Boya. This is a Boya microphone, and it is adaptable to the laptop computer, which I have it plugged in here today. It will also plug into a smartphone, and it will plug into my GoPro Hero 5. So hopefully from now on, TTT will not have any audio issues on the live video feed. So bear with me on that. So we come up here to the upper deck here at the home of Thomas and Nam Yin, and you can see this young man up here risking his life. These guys get after it. So he's installing the very first camera up here on the upper deck, and this is going to give us an outstanding view of the road, and it's got a real wide angle, so we'll be able to see quite a bit of distance here from this upper camera. It also focuses in on our gate to the driveway and the walk-through gate that enters into the yard. So yeah, Lulu and Lala, our water turtles, are enjoying the home security installation as well. And I had to spotlight that for you. But I'm telling you guys, there's no problem finding very good installation services here in Thailand, whether it be something technical like this home security system, or a simple repair of your refrigerator, maintenance on your air condition. One of the great things about Thailand is there's a lot of excellent craftsmen that are available for home service. And a lot of times you can get same-day service repair on anything that you might have, projects at your house that you need a specialist for. Now, I do want to give a shout out specifically to Mr. Thamonvan here. And please go back and watch the video. I put some timestamps on there of the Thailand street market. Okay, so you can go look at the timestamps in the description box and go directly to the live audio interview, the spontaneous, unplanned stop at Mr. Thamonvan's security shop here in Ban Chang. But Mr. Thamonvan is a man of many hats. He is an active duty commissioned officer in the Royal Thai Navy. He is also an air traffic controller at the Utapao Airport, which is about 5 minutes from my house. His English skills are very good because, you know, English is the language of aviation throughout the world. So that's a definite requirement. But he's a man of many hats. He's got a beautiful family, and I really encourage you to go back to the Thailand street market video. You can find that here in the video list of my channel. and then watch the live audio interview with Mr. Thamonvan, and you can see how well he can speak and understand English. He's very thorough in his explanations to me when I inquired about purchasing a home security system. But I had a long conversation with Mr. Thamonvan and inquired about a lot of the development here in Ban Chang, Rayong province. Thamonvan is originally, his shop was in Bangkok, and he moved his shop over here to Ban Chang about 5 years ago. Mr. Thamonvan is originally from Sisaket province in the northeast of Thailand, what we call the Isan region. So he comes from the same region as my wife, Nam Yin. He is Isan. But in discussing the development and the tremendous amount of construction projects, road construction, and many other things here in Ban Chang, Mr. Thamonvan also gave me detailed information about upgrades to the Utapao airport, where he is an air traffic controller. He said that there's currently a contract that's been signed and agreed to expand the Utapao airport and add an additional runway. For those of you that may not be familiar with Utapao airport, it's often referred to as the Pattaya airport, and it currently has one runway, and you can look up the flight schedules. It does have some international stops like Kuala Lumpur and Singapore and various areas here in Southeast Asia. But Mr. Thamonvan explained to me that within 3 years, the construction of the new runway is scheduled to be complete. And with the additional runway to the Utapao airport, they will then have many different destinations on their departure list, including Japan, Hong Kong, Europe, the UK, Australia, and the United States. So that's great information to get from someone who has firsthand knowledge as an air traffic controller at Utapao, Pattaya Airport. I also discussed with him a lot of times us Farang expats, immigrants here to the kingdom, we hear rumors and we discuss things that we really don't have factual information about. And one of those issues was the high-speed rail development here in the Kingdom of Thailand. There's been a lot of talk about exactly what's going to happen with the high-speed trail. Has it been delayed? And is it financed by China? And all of these kind of things. But Thamonvan explained to me that it is also under contract. The contract has been signed and agreed to now by the Thai government. And the company that is financing the project of the high-speed rail is called CP. CP is a Thai-based company. They are the largest company in Thailand. They own about 1,000 7-Elevens here in Thailand. They are also the owners of the Macro stores in Thailand. And they have recently made a contract offer to purchase all of the Tesco Lotus malls and retailers in Thailand. So CP, you can look that up. I can't remember exactly the acronym. It's a Thai name, but it goes back a long ways. It was originally created by two immigrants from China who became citizens of Thailand a long time ago when the CP company was created. But CP does also have construction, excavation, industrial projects that are under their umbrella. So they have basically like a subcontracting company that does large-scale construction projects, and they are the ones that will be constructing the high-speed rail here in the Kingdom of Thailand. The high-speed rail will connect the international airport in Bangkok Bangkok Suvarnabhumi Airport, the largest international airport here in Thailand. Also, it will connect to Don Muang Airport, which is in the northern suburbs of Bangkok. And then the high-speed rail will run on right down here, about 5 minutes from my house, to the Utapao Airport, or Pattaya City Airport. So I did get confirmation from Mr. Thamonvan. That contract has been signed. It is not funded or operated by China. This is a Thailand-based company called CP. So you can look that up. First-hand knowledge. So they finished up everything, and I tell you, there was no prefab stuff on this installation. They ran all the fiber optic cable and the conduit, and all that's a custom job. And Mr. Thamonvan installed all of the fittings onto the fiber cable that hooks into the NVR system and the HDMI to hook to the TV. So this is a very custom job. So I highly recommend that you stop in and see Mr. Thamonvan. I'm going to put his information here in this video, his business card. But I hope this was informative. It's nice to really get to know this man. He has a lot of detailed information about Thailand. And like I say, he's a man of many hats. Awesome family man, and his shop, his security system shop, is just one of the things that he does, and it is owned and operated as a family business. As a matter of fact, I was asking him, what does TMV stand for? And it's the T and the M and the V in Thamonvan. And Thamonvan is actually not his name. He explained to me that Thamonvan is his daughter's name, so he named his security company after his daughter. Gotta admire this man. And yeah, he's about 44 years old, I think he told me, and he'll be retiring from the Royal Thai Navy when he's 60, 65 years old, I think he told me. So he's, for a guy that's already in his 40s, a very stout, in good shape man. He was crawling around on his knees and making me hurt just watching him. So anyway, I appreciate you watching Teacher Thomas Thailand. Please subscribe and support the channel. Thank you. So yeah, guys, here's the total bill. Everything all together was 14,200 bahts. It includes the NVR, the hard drive, the 2 cameras, the fiber cable, the PVC pipe conduit, and the installation service. So 14,200 baht. I think a very good deal. He even wrote my official name there. Look at that. Teacher Thomas. All right, man. Highly recommend TMV. Thamonvan Security Systems in Ban Chang. Highly recommend this security system. Thamonvan Security System. Guys, fantastic job. Thank you so much, Mr. Thamonvan. Hey, please subscribe, Teacher Thomas Thailand. Won't cost you a penny. Thank you for watching. Peace and love to everyone. Signing out.